Hello everyone, welcome back to the Business Mathematics Class 3 and continuation of number system. Before I explain, I request everybody, those who have not subscribed for this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon button to get continuous notification. Thank you. So in my last class, we studied what you call odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, twin composite numbers. Today we will deal with another 5 types of numbers. Rational numbers, which is denoted as Q. The number which can be expressed in the form of P bar Q, where P is any integer and Q is an integer not equal to 0. Q will not be equal to 0 is called rational number. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or example root of 4, cube root of 1000. But here you should mention integer means a number which is not a fraction, a whole number. That means you should have one exact answer. Then that is called as rational. Even in life we say that be rational. That means be appropriate. Then next, irrational number, which is denoted as big letter R and small I. The numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of a P bar Q, where Q does not equal to 0 and P and Q both are integers, are called irrational numbers. They are denoted as root of 2, that is cube root of 5, root of 7. An irrational number cannot be expressed as either a terminating decimal or a recurring decimal. Neither it will be terminating or it was a recurring decimal. You know, terminating means you will have exact one. That is called as what I mean terminating. It is not terminating 1.1345678. That is called not a recurring decimal 0.131313. Then such numbers, what we call it as, what do you mean by irrational numbers? The next one is real numbers, which is denoted by R. The set of all rational and irrational numbers is termed as real numbers and is denoted as R. Life is also like that. We have rational as well as what actually irrational, that is reality. That is 100% reality. So the set of all rational and irrational number is termed as real numbers and denoted as R. The set of real numbers contains either Q or I. That means either rational or irrational. After real number, we have another 2 types of numbers, that is imaginary numbers. It is denoted as small I. Square root of negative numbers as known as imaginary numbers. I have given you the example minus root of minus 4, root of minus 9, root of minus 5. You just imagine, can you have a square root for plus 9 one root, for minus 9 one root? That is not possible. But for plus 9 what we call, that is called as plus or minus 3. In the similar fashion, what we imagine is for negative also, but we have the square root, that is called as imaginary number, which is called as imaginary number. That is why square root of minus, that is called as negative numbers, is known as what actually the imaginary numbers. The next number is very simple, complex number. What is complex number? The name itself will get you the definition. This is complex, it is complicated. The numbers of the form A plus BI, where A and B are real numbers. Now let us just go back. What is real number? Real number is a number which consists of both rational and irrational. First of all, real number is itself is a complex. Under that, one more complex is, that is complex number, real number, and also the negative. I is called as what actually negative, which includes or called as what actually complex numbers. That means which consists of both real and imaginary numbers is called as complex numbers. That's why I have given you simplified the definition by adding one more line. Complex numbers are numbers that consist of 2 parts. a real number and an imaginary number. So always you remember real number, both it is rational and irrational. Then it includes what actually imaginary number, which is called as what actually complex number. Thank you. In the next class, I'll get you LCM, lowest common multiple. Thank you.